Oh, I guess we have contact. Left.
Welcome to part 2.
Team red, yeah. Left side.
This time we've switched sides. I'm still on defense, but getting a whole new perspective being on this side of the map.
Straight ahead.
Unfortunately, the battery in my selfie cam died after the first match, and my power bank got left behind at the parking lot, so there was no way to power it up. I had to go with just the GoPro and the scope cam.
Watch your right, watch your right.
Extra patches on top of mine. Thanks. Yep.
That's what Bob got coming over here on the side. I thought he was back and forth.
Maybe. Stuck in a branch. Nice hit. We got a couple guys approaching the flag, I think.
Far left.
Right straight here, over the ridge.
Hey, be careful when this guy turns the box, he says he's gonna run. Okay. There we go. Look here, we're going way wide.
Careful, careful.
I need to reload.
Get down. Watch it, watch it.
I failed to give our medic covering fire, and he was taken out as soon as he revived our teammate.
Oh, where's that medic?
Watch it, watch it.
We steal his bomb?
No.
I need a medic. Oh, dog.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Careful, the sniper. You're 11 o'clock, Elliot.
About 2.5 minutes. Got him.
Nice, man. See? Teamwork.
I came up here and I just came
Medic.
He's dead.
He's dead. The medic's dead. Just count your 4 minutes.
Actually, when the medic started.
Are you up?
Yeah.
We've got one moving left.
I'm about to go back that way.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Wow, cool. There's somebody.
We've got somebody straight ahead of me, behind a tree. Be careful.
Oh, I see him.
Do you see him?
Like that guy. Like that. I didn't go. Profile. over.
I'm out.
Well,
Sorry.
I'm just giving you. Weapon.
Be careful. They're gonna have eyes on you.
I'm covering up 5 ounces. Thing.
I'm almost out of ammo.
Matt, where's your KWA?
Hey!
What?
Where's your KWA?
I wanted to run.
Guys, Guys! He's going right now.
They're flanking out and around.
Wow, they're doing a wide flank, super wide.
Hey, beware up there!
They're doing a rear flank, guys. Get down, get down. We have a sniper down in the creek too.
I know. I saw them.
Fall back.
Go back.
Yeah. We got 2 snipers this way.
I don't. Oh, wait. I don't have eyes on either.
We've got one down by the creek, and the other is up this direction a bit.
Okay, well, I can't see over that, so I don't think
Okay.
he can see me, but he's a little higher than me, so.
Okay, we got one moving left.
I opened by the bomb.
Where's the bomb?
Do with some plant.
Okay, stay low. Stay low. We got snipers.
I lost mine.
Sniper up on the hill.
Right here, guys. We need to take the bomb guy out.
The two snipers on the enemy team have almost taken me out a couple of times. So I'm trying to stay behind cover from them. But at the same time, we've got the bomb carrier here and at least a couple other guys up on the ridge.
Take this guy out behind the tree. Stay dead right there. Somebody's got to come get you. That was a nice run. Nice flank.
Guys, are there still guys up there?
We still got a couple guys coming. We got one coming across the creek now. Hit. Thanks.
I'm revived by the medic and back in the game.
Where's my gun?
Oh man, you lost your gun?
I didn't lose my gun, I just left it.
Our medic leaned his rifle up against a tree stump in front of me, and it was a good move. He was able to reach people much faster that way without having his sniper rifle with him. Right here, I'm too focused on trying to take this guy out up on the ridge, and I don't notice that the bomb carrier is approaching from the right. Technically, you're supposed to bring the crate to the flag, remove the Velcro strap, then open the crate, then push the air horn. but we'll let it slide. Good game.
Uh-oh. It's just a little, yeah, we're good. Nice.
I got shot 10 times when I was dead.
I had that happen last round too.
I ran up, saved you, and then got shot right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, oh.